That's it. This is very hello everyone. My name is Diptendu Acharya. Today I'll tell you one very simple refreshment mocktail, and the mocktail name is Blue Ocean. How to make Blue Ocean? First of all, you have to take any tall glass. Then you can add some ice cube into the tall glass. Then simply you have to squeeze some fresh lime in this. Okay, this is very simple mocktail. You can try. Okay, after that simply you have to pour 10 to 15 ml of blue cocoa syrups. That's it, don't add more. Okay, after that simply you have to fill the glass with Sprite or lemonade or soda. See, very simple mocktail. You can try. Sprite and soda. See how the very refreshment mocktail you can see. Then slowly you have to stir the mocktail with the help of bar spoon. That's it. After that you have to garnish the mocktail with lime slices, and you can garnish with some mint leaf. That's it. This is very simple mocktail. You can try. Mocktail name is Blue Ocean. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you.